Okay, here's a cutter, boring bar with a larger radius right here on the cutting edge. So it'll leave not such a big sharp edge on the inside of the port. So it'll make it easier to blend. So right now I'm got my boring head right here. So I'll just put the cutter in there. Rough out our diameter here, cutting out the bore. Also got to go rough out the depth I want to go down to. Should be able to go this deep fairly well. Okay. Let's see, let's go ahead and get my machine zeroed out here would help. Close enough. Okay, zero max Y. Looks like that was cut just a little bit there. Yep. Not a lot, just a little. Good for our initial hit. Let's see if I can get that where you can see a little better. Yep. That's about as good as we're going to get, I guess. Okay, we're going to start cutting now. Alright, what do we do? Pump it up 100 thousandths. Nice light cuts, 100 thou passes. Okay. Good. Get another one of those. Alright, see where we're at. We gotta go to 1,700. We're at 1,500 almost right now. Check my port center. Feels good. Feels pretty centered all the way around. Another 100 thou. Should be able to see the cut this time. Part round now. Just use my finger to feel the undercut on the bottom. Get an idea about where the port's at. Feels pretty damn even all the way around. Pretty good. That's a good setup to get that close. Alright, we are at 1575 or so. I'm going to drop back to only 50 thou passes right now. Boring bar is getting dry. Threads are feeling goofy. Starting to feel little differences now as we're getting close to port size. What's our diameter at? Get another 90 thou, 80 thou to go. We're going to be cutting the port all the way around to get that close. Alright, let me pull this camera off so an idea what's really going on over here. Okay, so this here's a lip I'm feeling down under here. So this side's a little bit heavier feeling than this side right now. It's really, really close, but it's a little different. And then we got the other one over here. It's actually a radius under here, but we still haven't got the port size, but we're getting close. And this is our short tide radius under here, and it's the same distance. So the port's pretty close. Probably go to the right this direction about 10 thou to be on the money. So we got our scale up here. I don't know if you can read that or not. Oh. There, I'm going to go ahead and give it 10 thousandths offset, see what happens. We're on 50 on my dial over here. And there's something wrong with this cutter. Now, I'm about to work on my boring bar. The threads are getting pretty tight, so I'll take it apart and lube it. We're back cutting again. A little tune-up on my boring head there, re-lube it. It's been a few years, so this is wanting attention. We're cutting down the original port now. Oh yeah. We just cut the original port over there. So quit cutting that deep. A little bit of a lip right there. And this side over here where I just moved it. This is good. That's actually cutting big on that side. I think I'll move 5 back from where I just took it out of. And it looks like we're going to have a little bit of a lip there. Cutting there. Alright. See what size we're working with here. Looks like we're about 1/650, 640. So I'm going to go ahead and modify my movement here. So I'm going to put this back 5. Yeah. There's 5 back on that one. I think I'll pull this one out 5 also. Maybe 10. I think I'll go 10. Oh, I move. Alright, close enough. Okay, so middle of movement. I'm going to go ahead and cut 20 thou here. Actually, 20 is not going to be enough. 30. I also don't want to coil this quite as deep, so I'm going to go up here and pull my stop up a little bit. Don't want to keep cutting the bottom of the port there. Drag on my quill stop. There we go. Alright, start cutting. Cutter's not happy. Must have chipped it a little bit or something. It's not very happy with me right now. Alright. I'll radius that down here. I think I'll go ahead and put this back in I just took out. Alright, and we're down half as far. Pretty uneven finish. Not cutting very good for some reason. Looks like we're pretty close to final size though. I'll give it about 10. Let's see if it'll make a better finish this time. A little bit better. Still uneven though, you can hear it. Get some hard spots in the aluminum down there. Alright. Let's see what size we got. Let's see here. Get my calipers here. Yep, wrong hand here. Gotta work upside down. So we won 700. So with my 6-inch scale, I got 1.699. Yeah, that's pretty close. I guess I can live without error. Finish doesn't feel too bad. Pretty smooth actually. Alright, so there's a port all full of crap. I gotta clean it out. But we got our ID board. So now I'm going to swap my cutter around, and we got board the OD here. So I'm going to go put this back up on the tripod and reset this up.